Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to apply personal loan and Cebuana Lhuillier online. So guys, go to this official website Cebuana Lhuillier bank and click here loan and click home loan. After that guys, scroll down and you find this option apply now. After that guys, click the loan type you want to ask teachers or something like this, and click the amount as you can see here, and terms 1 year or 3 year, and there this number, and just click next. After that, click title, Mr. Name, and your name here, personal name, middle as you can see here, your birthday, this is my example, and select ID type, passport or ID number, and click I have read, I'm not remote, and submit this. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more.